Hi guys, my name's Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I'm going to be doing a doll haul and I purchased this fashion pack from Amazon. It was supposed to be a set of 5 outfits, and unfortunately when I was doing the video I did not notice that 2 of the shirts were missing. As a consequence, I did contact Amazon and they have now refunded this for me. So I am going to get into showing all of the garments on the dolls, so just bear with me. I do have this outfit here on the petite, and it has the floral blouse, and it does include the torn jeans here. And then I did pair it with the included silver shoes. The shirt does Velcro in the back, and so does the pants, and it looks really kind of bulky in the back, but that's okay because it is kind of cute from the front. And again, these items were $9.99. So the next outfit we have is this gingham printed jumpsuit, and I did pair it with the included burnt orange or red shoes here. And this also did not fit on a curvy, but it does look cute on a classic made to move body. It does Velcro in the back here. So on the classic made to move, I have this beautiful blouse. It's a floral print with the yellow pants and some lime green heels. It's really vibrant and really beautiful in color. And in the back, it does Velcro on the top and the pants. And again, the pants are just a little bit bulky, but it's cute from the front. Here it is with the white pants, and I did pair it with the silver shoes. Here it is with the final pair of jeans. There are some flare bootcut jeans. They are a little bit short on the classic make to move body, but overall not too bad. I think it's really cute. So we have some blue heels that are translucent, and we have these pink ballerina flats. I could not get these shoes to fit on any of my dolls. I did get this Hair Amazing fashion pack from Walmart. It was $3.97. So here is the outfit on my classic made to move doll, and it doesn't Velcro in the back for the skirt nor the shirt. It is super cute. I love it. And of course the shoes didn't work either. Here it is on my petite made to move doll, and the Velcro is barely hanging on, but I think this outfit is adorable. It's so freaking cute. Here is the outfit on a Hair Amazing doll, and it looks good on her. Obviously, it was made for her, and the shoes fit, obviously. This is a super cute fashion piece. I was hoping it would work for at least the petite Barbie, but I'm glad it fits at least one of my dolls. So I did get these 2 fashion packs. They were on sale. I got them on sale at Amazon. This one was $8.99, and then this one went on sale for $9.99. I believe both of these, I think this one is still on sale, but this one is, I think, $10.99 or $11.99 now. So yeah. So this garment does have a big gaping hole. I just spoke with Amazon and they've refunded my money for this fashion pack as well. So yeah, the struggles. Oh yeah, and that Hair Amazing fashion pack, it came with this headset, but I wasn't able to get it on the Hair Amazing doll. It was too big for the Barbie, so yeah. So here we have this outfit on the curvy, and it did come with those cute heart glasses and that cute necklace. I do like the skirt. It is a bit short on the curvy, but doable. Both of the pieces do Velcro in the back. So here is the next outfit. I had a hard time getting this on the curvy, but it fits the classic made to move body really good. The sunglasses are super cute, and I do like this outfit. It's like the reason why I purchased this fashion pack, because of this outfit specifically. The shirt Velcros in the back and the shorts have elastic. Super cute. So here is the next fashion pack, And I do like this dress. I mean, it does have plaid sleeves and polka dots. I like the collar, and I did pair it with the included sneakers that came with the fashion pack, and it looks really good. It fits petite Barbie pretty good. It does Velcro in the back. Here is the outfit on a classic made to move, and it fits really well, and I paired it with the included sneakers. Finally, this dress on the curvy is adorable, so this particular dress works for all sizes, which is really good. So here is the last outfit, and it fits the curvy really well, and I did pair the included bracelet, and it's just a super cute look on the curvy. I really think this is adorable on her, and both pieces do Velcro in the back. Here's the outfit on my classic made to move Barbie doll. It is a little bit looser, but it still is overall a really cute look. So I did get this Barbie extra fly doll. I've been wanting her, and I saw her on sale on Amazon for $19.99, so I just grabbed her because I know right now she's $24.95, which is still not a bad price, but I've seen her as high as like $60, and I've been wanting her for so long, so I'm gonna get her open. All right, so here she is, this pretty girl. She has a crown, oversized heart sunglasses. The jacket has faux patches on them with fringe. She looks so beautiful. I love her beautiful multicolored hair. Her hair is so pretty. It's like pink, purple, blue. It's really beautiful. I love her hair. It's so pretty. Now she does come with a red scarf. Her hair does need some help right out of the packaging. She does come with these beautiful heart earrings. I actually have gold bamboo earrings like this myself. They're not removable, and she also has a VIP tag, the red scarf. She has a camera. It looks like a camera or a purse or a fanny pack. I love her rainbow outfit. It's super cute. The doll has these high platform translucent boots that are beautifully pink. The doll is articulated. She has movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow. She also has wrist articulation and movement at the knee. This doll also has flat feet. She does have this cute little purse, and it has sculpted fringe. Comes with this boarding passport, water bottle. She also has a cell phone. I am going to put her on a made to move body, but I'm going to do that probably in another video. And she also has a large extra fly boarding pass. So I was able to get my hands on this Monster High beauty right here. This is the Catty Noir doll. I wanted her. I saw her, and she's been sold out, overpriced, but well worth it. I did get her at her regular price, which is $24.95. So yeah, I was happy to get her. So I'm gonna unbox her because I just had to add her to my collection. She's absolutely gorgeous. But look at that box art right there, like, yes. So her monster type is pop star, performer, werecat. Monster must have is sheep, musket, lucky mirror. Monster pet is amulet. I think that's how you say that. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox her. She's so pretty. Here she is right out of the packaging, looking gorgeous. My doll does have a little bit of some defects. There was something on her face that I couldn't get off right there. But overall, I love her hot pink hair. It's a mixture of rooted hair with rooted braids. She has painted pink edges with pink eyebrows, and she has little stars under her eyes, and her eyes do look like the shape of like like a cat eye with pink actual eyes, and her eyes it has the pupil has the cat eye look. And then she has a glossy lip, and it is ombre with pink and burgundy. And I do truly love her little face. She is a purple color. She comes with this metallic necklace. She does have one earring in her ear, and I noticed that on her hands and on her ankles, as well as like her ears, they're sculpted fur. And then she does have this beautiful garment here. The sleeves part, this is plastic. And then her overall dress, it has a A-line, asymmetrical dress. So this metallic piece right here, and then this underskirt along with the plastic belt. I love all the detailing here that they've highlighted so that it makes it pop. She does have sculpted fur on her tail. These hot pink boots are everything. Like, I love them. And then again, with the details on the boots, this doll was very well made. And yeah, overall, she's just super, super pretty. I'm really happy with this purchase. This is how she looks in the back. So let's talk about the articulation. She has movement, wonderful, excellent rotation at the neck. She does have shoulder movement along with the elbow joint, wrist articulation. She has upper chest movement here, a slight movement at the knee. Her tail can move, so she's articulated there. She does come with this heart backpack, has cat ears. It does open. Here is her pet. It's come with a water bottle here, a microphone here. It's a mirror, and it's a cracked mirror. Comes with a music book. And she also has these glasses. They look like cat eyes with a heart in them, along with a cell phone that she can hold. It has a little loop for her to hold the phone. So I'm sure you guys know, anytime I get a new doll, I always like to make a miniature doll for my doll. So I did go ahead and make a printable for the Extra Fly doll and also my Monster High doll. I printed it out. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out and get it assembled, and then we'll have dolls for our dolls. So I picked up these candy pieces or these charms from AliExpress years ago. They were like $1 or $2 or something like that. It was a long time ago. I did some nails, incorporated them into them, but I am going to make some more candy, but this time I wanted to appear like the candy has been opened and they've bitten out of it. So here are the pieces. There's the printable. It'll all be available for you in the description box. So if you wanted to make your doll some candy, because I live vicariously through my dolls, you can do the same. All right, so finally I did get these balloon animal erasers at Target. They were $1 each. Ella C.F.R on YouTube, she was the one who told me about them, or told everyone. You can look her up. I'll link her video in the description box if you're interested. But those figures are there, and I thought they would be great items or home decor items for the dollhouse, or maybe a baby's room, a nursery, or a kid's room. I think they were really cute. So yeah. Thank you for joining me today. If you did enjoy, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and then share the video. Sharing is caring. And follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.